and welcome back to the 12 Days of Halloween here on Wild Cactus Weddings channel on YouTube. I am super excited to be sharing with you today's video. We are going to be doing a cartoon character for today's Halloween quick video, and I hope you enjoy. If you do, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see tomorrow's video. So make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified of when it launches tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. We are going to be starting with a full face of foundation, concealer, and other things, and moving right into the look. We are going to be starting out with a really bold red lipstick, making sure we get that perfect outline on our lips. We also are going to be using this for a cute little design on our neck / chest, and we're going to just be kind of creating a little bit of like these U/V curves and filling it all the way in with this red lipstick, and just making sure that we fill all of it in and getting those points and those lines. We will be coming back to this later in the video and completing it. We want to make sure we do this first so we give it enough time to be able to dry. Next, we will be moving on with a red circle. This is going to be a cream one. I will link it in the description below, but we are just going to go right down the center of the face and go all the way down where we want these to be. I do want this to be on the rest of the look as well, making sure that we complete that look with the rest of the costume, and just going across and making these dots on the rest of the face. I'm doing them in a little bit of a line pattern. You don't have to, but it does look better if you do them in a little bit of a line and more cohesive with each other, so it kind of completes that look. Doing it in a little more of a symmetrical look. And once we are done with the completion of the face, we will move on to the neck with the circles as well. This will give us a complete look. Once again, I'm wearing a shirt that is a little bit lower cut so that I can do this design all the way down on the neck as well to create a really fun costume. Also just gonna wait for it to dry for a second and then take my blue face paint and do a smaller brush for this look as well. And I'm going to be creating the teardrops. So I'm just going underneath the eye and drawing a little bit down, and then turning your brush sideways, you will be able to create the teardrop look as well. This will be one that you'll want to create just kind of right below, so we're almost creating like this look of the waters tearing up under the eye, and then we have a teardrop falling below. This will dry for a minute, and while we're waiting for that, we will be taking our black eyeliner and drawing our accessories. So this is also an eyeliner I will link in the description below. Doing the outline of the sides of the nose as well as one of the sides, and then a crease in the middle of our eyebrows, and drawing out the sides of our face as well. You can bring this look all the way down to your chin, outlining the chin area on both sides. You want to do this so when you turn sideways you can see it on both sides, and then outlining your lips with this black as well. We will come back and finish the lips, but just for now you want to take that black outline for your lips so that we can create that cartoon look. Also going back, and basically what we're doing with this black is outlining everything so it pops and has that more dramatic look. Then we'll go to our little sign below that will eventually say POW, and I totally thought that I did it the right way, but I definitely wrote it backwards. You'll see later in the video. But then we will be moving on, taking a little bit of the white and just looking, if you are somewhere with a light, just kind of see where the light hits it. Mostly it's going to hit on the middle section of your lip, on the bottom, and on the top as well. And then we will be moving on to our neck and doing a little bit of a V, kind of creating that curve right where the bone is. And then we will be moving on to the POW sign. So you'll just draw in a P, O, and W, tracing it. I chose to do, this is more of a neon paint that is in yellow. So it's a little bit more of a bolder yellow. I will link it in the description below. And just kind of creating this look. And that is it for today's look for your cartoon Halloween costume. Well, that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video and were able to gather some ideas to create your own Halloween cartoon caricature for the holidays. So I hope you once again enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big like, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you also hit that notification bell to be notified of when more videos like this are coming out for the 12 days of Halloween here on Wild Cactus Weddings. Make sure you don't miss out. It's going to be so much fun, and I can't wait to see what you all vote for. And whatever you vote for and whatever is in top place will be my choice for Halloween this year. So hopefully you will go vote on Instagram and also here on YouTube in the comments below. Once again, hope you enjoyed today's fun little video and have a happy Halloween.